Hey guys, Kim here. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today's video is another, yet again, you're not gonna be surprised, still another AliExpress haul. So there's like 4 packages here, and let me try to get it out. Okay. Oh, okay. So finally, I got the grid like washi tape. This really interesting plastic design. Yeah, I got the pink one and the white one, and then finally the Sumiko Gurashi ones. Aha! That I thought was like, wait, are they lost or there's something more? So these are like, excuse me, transparent Sumiko Gurashi stickers, and then what is this? Ha! Another washi tape that is flowers. Probably sakura. Probably. And then I don't know what this is. What? Wait, are these the notebooks? Oh my god, they're much more smaller than I thought they would be. Hold up, let me open all the things and I'll show you what they'll look like. Okay, so these are like probably like 4.5 by, so I don't know, it's like smaller than expected, and it's blank. The paper quality is okay, like just like printing paper, but it's cute. The design is really cute. I love it. That's why I bought it. And then these are like, the texture is really smooth and it's really like paper like. I like it. It's nice. I like the grid pattern. This is the same ones as the last one, but they're more like almost like watercolor like. And the Sumiko Gurashi is adorable as per usual. So yeah, that's basically it for my haul. I know it's short. Let's keep it short and sweet. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more of what I got. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.